Nouns. Nouns. A noun is a naming word. It can be the name of a thing, place, person, animal, or feeling. Naming animals: dog, rabbit, elephant, chicken, horse. Naming feelings/qualities/ideas: joy, fear, beauty, strength, anger. Example sentences: 1. I live in Australia. 2. Jenny is my sister. 3. The name of this monkey is Boo. 4. Pacific Ocean is very vast. Proper noun. Proper nouns are names of people or places such as your name, your friend's name, your parents' name, or the name of your town and country are special naming words. These words are called proper nouns. Special naming words or proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Example sentences of proper noun: 1. My name is Mark. 2. These bears are from China. 3. I visited the city center in Oman. 4. Albert Einstein was born in Germany. Understanding proper nouns. Example sentences of proper noun: 1. Every Sunday Mike visits the church. 2. Christmas comes in the month of December. 3. My sister was born in March month. 4. Sam goes for swimming classes every Friday. The names of festivals and some special days are proper nouns. Example sentences: 1. Christmas is my favorite festival. 2. My mother likes Mother's Day. 3. We will celebrate New Year's Eve. The names of buildings, mountains, rivers, and seas are also proper nouns. Example sentences: 1. I have seen the Great Wall of China. 2. Last year we visited the Niagara Falls. 3. Many people have climbed the Mount Everest. 4. River Nile is very long. Common noun. Common nouns are naming words that are common to people, places, things, and animals, etc. Common nouns do not define any particular person, place, or thing. They are general names. So, they are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. For example, boy, girl, doctor, town, city, dog, car, and so on. 1. Teachers teach in school. 2. Birds live on trees. 3. I love to read storybooks. 4. Sally's mother is a doctor. Identify and learn about proper nouns and common nouns in the list of sentences below. 1. Sony produces cameras too. 2. Alicia and Kathy were playing with a doll. 3. Sandy is joining school today. 4. Hens have laid eggs at Todd's farm. In above examples, the words in purple color are proper noun, whereas words in green color are common nouns. Collective noun. Collective nouns are used to name a group of persons, places, animals, or things. Some collective nouns are used to name a group of animals and birds. 1. A flock of sheep. 2. A herd of cattle. 3. A stud of horses. 4. A gaggle of geese. 5. A litter of cubs. 6. A flock of birds. 7. A shoal of fish.
8. A pack of wolves.
9. A swarm of bees. Some collective nouns define a group of people. 1. A crew of sailors. 2. An army of soldiers. 3. A band of musicians. 4. A class of pupils. 5. A troupe of actors. 6. A panel of judges. 7. A gang of robbers. Possessive noun. We add an apostrophe and s to form the possessive of most singular nouns. Example sentences of possessive noun. 1. This is Bob's skateboard. Means the skateboard belongs to Bob. 2. This is Ian's coat. Means the coat belongs to Ian. 3. Papa bought a new frame for Grandpa's spectacles. 4. Ted's dream for a bicycle came true on his birthday. 5. Julia's homework was not checked. Sometimes we need to show possession for plural nouns or where the owners are more than one. 1. A girls' school is located near my house. 2. We should not harm the birds' nests. Number nouns denote one or many. There are two kinds of number nouns. Singular number noun. It stands for one person, animal, thing or place. Plural number noun. It stands for more than one person, animal, thing or place. For example, 1 toy, 3 balls, 2 dogs, 5 cars, 9 planets and so on. Generally, by adding a s at the end, we can change a singular noun to a plural noun. There are different rules we follow to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Rule 1. When a singular noun ends with a y after a consonant, we remove the y and add is. For example, city, cities, lady, ladies, story, stories. Number noun. For example, 1 toy, 3 balls, 2 dogs, 5 cars, 9 planets and so on. Rule 2. If there is vowel before y, just add s to form its plural. For example, boy, boys, day, days, trolley, trolleys, toy, toys. Rule 3. When a singular noun ends with o after a vowel, add s to make it a plural noun. For example, bamboo, bamboos, radio, radios, video, videos. Rule 4. When a singular noun ends with o after a consonant, we add s to make it a plural noun. For example, tomato, tomatoes, volcano, volcanoes, hero, heroes. It is also possible that for few nouns ending with o preceded by a consonant, we add the letter s to form their plurals. For example, piano, pianos, photo, photos. Rule 5. If a singular noun ends with a sound like s, such as ss, sh, ch, x, z, tch, we add s to make it plural. For example, box, boxes, watch, watches, dress, dresses, quiz, quizzes. Rule 6. If a singular noun ends with f or fe, change the f into v and add s to make it plural. For example, life, lives,
calf, calves,
loaf, loaves, knife, knives. Irregular plural. Plural of some nouns are totally different from their singular form. For example, fish, fish, deer, deer, cattle, cattle, sheep, sheep, bison, bison. Plural of some nouns are totally different from their singular form. For example, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, cactus, cacti, child, children, man, men. Some nouns are always plural like pants, jeans, shorts, tongs, scissors, hair and sunglasses. Compound noun. Compound nouns are formed by joining two nouns together.
There are 3 different ways to form compound nouns.
1. The closed form, like notebook, firefly and keyboard. 2. The hyphenated form, like X-ray, co-pilot and mother-in-law. 3. The open form, like post office, history book, mineral water.
Example sentences of compound noun.
1. Ian looked at his timetable. 2. It was going to be lunchtime. 3. The basketball match was scheduled in the afternoon. 4. Just after the breakfast, Matt rushed to his tracksuit. 5. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad. Countable noun.
Most of the nouns come in the category of countable nouns rather than uncountable nouns, because they refer to things, people or animals that can be counted.
Example sentences of countable nouns. 1. I saw 2 owls sitting on the tree. 2. There are 4 milk bottles in the fridge. 3. My father has 2 cars. 4. I need an umbrella to get out in the rain. 5. To make this cake we need an egg. Note, we use the for some singular nouns which are unique, one of their kind. For example, the earth, the sun, the moon, etc. We cannot count certain things in numbers such as milk, rain, sugar, water, jam. We have to use words like a glass of milk, a jar of sugar, a jug of water, or a bottle of jam. We can use terms like a little, plenty, or a bowl of with uncountable nouns. Though these nouns can be measured, they cannot be counted. Such nouns do not have a singular or plural form. The noun, gender. Masculine noun. Masculine nouns represent males, boys, men, and male animals. For example, prince, man, king, boy, cock, lion, etc. Feminine noun. Feminine nouns represent females, girls, women, and female animals. For example, princess, woman, queen, girl, hen, lioness, etc. But there are some nouns that represent both males and females. For example, children, artists, principals, teachers, singers, lawyers, etc.